Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Invest in Africa, the channel dedicated to empowering entrepreneurs and showcasing investment opportunities across the continent. Today, we have an exciting topic that promises not just economic growth, but also a glimpse into the rich agricultural potential of Africa. We're exploring the manioc processing factory, a venture that transforms manioc into valuable products like chikwangwe, atshiki, and manioc powder. Join me as we delve into the intricate world of manioc processing and uncover strategies to market and package these end products for maximum profitability. Before we jump into the details, let's understand why manioc, also known as cassava, is a game changer. With its versatility and widespread cultivation in Africa, manioc serves as the primary ingredient for various food products. Today we're focusing on a processing factory that takes manioc and transforms it into chikwangwe, atshiki, and manioc powder. The first step in this journey is establishing the manioc processing factory. We'll discuss the necessary machinery, infrastructure, and regulatory considerations to set up a successful operation. This includes acquiring equipment for peeling, grating, and drying the manioc efficiently. Our factory produces chikwangwe, a popular dish in many African regions. We'll explore the traditional methods of preparing chikwangwe and how modern processing techniques can enhance production efficiency while maintaining the authentic taste and texture. Next on our list is atshika, a delightful product made from fermented cassava. We'll walk through the fermentation process, share insights into selecting the right strains, and discuss the significance of proper storage and handling during the fermentation period. Manioc powder, a versatile and long-lasting product, has a wide range of applications. From being a key ingredient in various dishes to serving as a thickening agent, we'll explore the production process and the machinery involved in transforming manioc into this valuable powder. Now that we have our end products ready, let's dive into packaging. Effective packaging is not just about protecting the products, it's also a powerful marketing tool. We'll discuss packaging materials, designs, and how to create a brand identity that resonates with consumers. With the products packaged and ready for the market, marketing becomes the key to success. We'll explore both traditional and digital marketing strategies, including the use of social media, partnerships, and the importance of storytelling to connect with consumers on a deeper level. To maximize profits, we need to tap into both local and global markets. We'll discuss export opportunities, navigating international regulations, and building a distribution network that ensures your manioc products reach consumers worldwide. Building a strong brand identity is crucial for standing out in the market. We'll cover the elements of brand building, including logo design, brand messaging, and the role of a compelling narrative in creating an emotional connection with consumers. Quality assurance is non-negotiable in the food industry. We'll explore the importance of quality control measures, adherence to food safety standards, and obtaining necessary certifications to build trust with consumers and regulatory bodies. Beyond the factory walls, investing in community relations is integral to the success of any business. We'll discuss strategies for engaging with local communities, supporting farmers, and contributing to sustainable agricultural practices. As responsible entrepreneurs, incorporating sustainability initiatives into your business is not just good for the planet, it's also a marketable aspect. We'll explore eco-friendly packaging, waste reduction strategies, and how these initiatives can enhance your brand image. At Invest in Africa, we're not just about showcasing opportunities, we're committed to supporting entrepreneurs like you. Learn about the resources, mentorship programs, and strategic partnerships we offer to help turn your manioc processing venture into a thriving business. We aim to help you start your own manioc processing successful business. Get inspired by success stories of entrepreneurs who have ventured into manioc processing. Learn from their experiences, challenges, and triumphs as they turn their dreams into profitable businesses. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments section. Our community is here to support and learn from each other. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insights into investment opportunities across Africa. Efficient supply chain management is a key factor in the success of any processing factory. We'll delve into strategies for optimizing your supply chain, from working closely with local farmers to ensuring timely and reliable sourcing of raw materials for uninterrupted production. To stay competitive in the market, continuous innovation is essential. We'll discuss the importance of staying abreast of technological advancements, exploring new product variations, and adapting your processes to meet changing consumer preferences. Sound financial management is the backbone of a sustainable business. Learn about effective budgeting, investment strategies, and financial planning to ensure the long-term success and profitability of your manioc processing factory. As your business grows, it's crucial to consider the broader impact on the community and society. We'll explore ways to contribute to social responsibility, such as supporting local education, healthcare initiatives, and fostering positive relationships with the communities in which you operate. To stay ahead in the competitive agribusiness landscape, it's crucial to be aware of emerging trends. We'll explore technological advancements, market trends, and consumer preferences that could shape the future of the manioc processing industry in Africa. Keeping an eye on these trends can provide your venture with a strategic edge. No journey is without challenges, and agribusiness is no exception. We'll discuss common challenges faced by those in the manioc processing sector and provide insights into overcoming them. From fluctuating market prices to supply chain disruptions, understanding and proactively addressing challenges is key to sustained success. Collaboration is a powerful tool for growth. We'll explore the benefits of forming strategic partnerships with other businesses, NGOs, and governmental organizations. Collaborative efforts can lead to shared resources, increased market reach, and a positive impact on the entire value chain. No journey is without challenges, and agribusiness is no exception. We'll discuss common challenges faced by those in the manioc processing sector and provide insights into overcoming them. From fluctuating market prices to supply chain disruptions, understanding and proactively addressing challenges is key to sustained success. Collaboration is a powerful tool for growth. We'll explore the benefits of forming strategic partnerships with other businesses, NGOs, and governmental organizations. Collaborative efforts can lead to shared resources, increased market reach, and a positive impact on the entire value chain. As your manioc processing factory gains momentum, it's important to consider future expansion. We'll discuss strategic growth plans, entering new markets, and diversifying your product line to capitalize on evolving consumer preferences. The future holds endless possibilities for those who are visionary and strategic. Before we conclude, let's open the floor for an interactive Q&A session. Feel free to ask any questions you have about starting or managing a manioc processing factory. Our experts are here to provide insights and guidance to help you on your entrepreneurial journey. As we wrap up this extended session, it's time for action. If you're inspired to start your own manioc processing venture, take the first step today. Explore the resources on our Invest in Africa platform, connect with like-minded entrepreneurs in the comments section, and share your aspirations with the community. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Invest in Africa channel. Stay informed about the latest insights, success stories, and investment opportunities across the continent. Your journey to entrepreneurial success starts here. As we conclude this extended exploration of the manioc processing factory, remember that success in agribusiness is a journey, not a destination. The opportunities in Africa's agricultural landscape are vast, and with the right strategies, dedication, and support, your venture can contribute to both economic growth and community development. Thank you for being part of Invest in Africa. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, may your ventures thrive and your dreams flourish. Happy investing!